Hey guys, welcome back to another Woodbrew video.
This week we are finally building a dining table for Dylan's apartment. It has been on the to-do list for a very long time now, and I am so excited to finally be eating at a table.
Big shout out to Night Eyes for sponsoring this week's episode. We have a ton of uses that we're going to show in this episode, but you can also check out our Instagram. There's a link in the description below where we show you a bunch of other uses for their cool, innovative products. We found them pretty interesting to use in and outside of the shop and thought they would be pretty cool to show off here in a video. So hope you guys enjoy. Big thanks to them for making this video possible.
We do have plans available for this table as well. That link will be down below. With all that being said, let's get started. Starting off with materials for the top, we have these super nice pine boards.
Those are the legs.
No.
Oh, do you want me to grab those?
Those are the legs.
Yes.
This is the top.
Right, so you don't want me to grab the
No,
legs?
I don't want any legs in the top. You want your legs in the top? No, you want your legs where they belong, below your waist.
Before we glue up our top, we need to make marks all the way down where we need to cut out for our biscuits. We are super excited to be breaking out the biscuit joiner, and to keep cords tidy in the cabinet, we use gear ties from Night Eyes. This helps our workflow so much when we aren't fiddling with cords for 5 minutes. We use the gear ties for so many other things around the shop. Let me just show you. Gear tie around the glue bottle to keep a glue brush attached. We are always looking for those things. Gear tie around all of the tapes to keep them together and to hang them on a hook. These come in all different sizes for so many different needs. Night Eyes sent over a few other things for us to check out that we absolutely needed. We have an attic above our shop with no light, so having the Innova rechargeable flashlight right there on the wall is huge. A few other things we love, like the Steely Dash kit and pedestal kit and the large S spinner. Thank you Night Eyes for sponsoring this week's video, and if you want to check out any of these products, there will be a link down below. After all the biscuits were cut, it was time for the glue up. We always do a dry fit before we add glue to be on the safe side and make sure that everything fits. We have to do the top in 2 separate pieces, so we did the other half off camera, and then we will come back the next day and repeat the whole joinery process and stick them both together. When the top is dry, we could come back in and clean up each end with the track saw. Now for the legs, we are using the same material as the top, just a little bit smaller in width. The table is going to have 2 bases as the legs, and they will be in a trapezoid shape, so we decided on cutting all the pieces on a 10-degree angle. One thing that we really like to do when making repeating cuts is just trace out one cut piece over and over, then we'll be sure to have the same lengths throughout. Now just for a little bit of sanding on everything and time to assemble the base. To make sure we are centering the base to the table, we just need to mark the center of both and then line them up. We wanted these legs to be super strong and sturdy and also somewhat easily removable, so we are attaching them with bolts and adding in these threaded inserts. For finish, we are using a triple thick polyurethane, and I ended up doing 2 coats on the top just for security. I absolutely love how this table turned out. It's exactly what I had in mind. Remember, we do have plans available down below so you can build it yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in the next one.